All right. First of all, welcome everyone on this new channel and my very first video. Firstly, let me thank every one of you for clicking on this video, because I'm pretty sure this video doesn't have a lot of views, or this channel doesn't have a lot of subscribers. But yes, this is a new channel, new video. Welcome and thank you so much for showing your support, first of all. And let me first introduce myself. My name is Aditya Karandigar, and I have just started motovlogging. Let's just say that. I'll just address the elephant in the room, that is the channel name David Putra. Obviously, in the motorcycling community, everybody knows what David Putra is, but if there is out there someone who doesn't know, there is a cartoon called as Augie and the Cockroaches. So in that, there is a motorcycle that gets introduced, and the name of the motorcycle is David Putra 2000. Just to sum things up, that motorcycle is basically the best machine that money can ever buy. And yeah, obviously I tried to do a wordplay on that. So my name David Putra is basically a putra, that is a kid, a guy, a boy who is shooting videos daily. That's why David Putra. I know it's like a cringe name to have, but yeah, for me it's pretty funny. But anyway, chalo, let me properly introduce myself. My name is Aditya Karandigar. Professionally, I am a sound engineer who is working in the sound department for films and web series. And in my personal life, I am a loving husband and a loving son. So the thing is, because I work in the film industry, my work mainly happens in the area of Andheri, like Andheri, Bandra, Goregaon, mostly those places itself. So scene abhi aisa hai कि I live in Thane, and now because of my work I have to travel to Andheri every day, almost every day. And the best way to do that is on a motorcycle. Train metro तो possible नहीं है, because where I stay and where I have to go to the studios where I have to work, वहाँ पे मतलब कनेक्टिविटी उतना अच्छा नहीं है. मतलब घर से निकल के स्टेशन तक पहुँचा, फिर मेट्रो तक पहुँचा, वो मतलब दूर है वो. एंड देन मेट्रो फाइनल स्टेशन मेट्रो के उतर के मुझे स्टूडियोज जाना, वो भी मतलब मेट्रो से नज़दीक नहीं है, इट्स फेयरली अवे. तो मतलब पहले घर से निकलो, रिक्शा करो, स्टेशन जाओ, ट्रेन मेट्रो पकड़ो, चेंज करो, फिर अंधेरी साइड जहाँ जाना है वहाँ पहुँचो, वहाँ उतर के वापस रिक्शा करो. इट्स टू टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. एंड ऑब्वियसली द ओनली सोल्यूशन इज़ बाय रोड जाओ. कार तो मैं निकाल नहीं सकता, बिकॉज ट्रैफिक इज़ वे टू मच. बेस्ट सोल्यूशन मोटरसाइकिल. एंड ऑब्वियसली सिंस आई वॉज अ किड, धूम मूवी देख के मोटरसाइकिलिंग का कीड़ा दिमाग में बैठ गया है. Yeah, I've been loving motorcycles since a lot of time. I've been riding motorcycles since a lot of time. So why not put my motorcycling enthusiasm and a long road together and ride every day by motorcycle? Trust me, it's a hassle. Almost Thane to Andheri is somewhere around 25 kilometers. अभी ऐसा और एक सिचुएशन है कि माई वाइफ ऑल्सो वर्क्स इन अंधेरी ईस्ट एंड मुझे जाना पड़ता है अंधेरी वेस्ट. So sometimes I do drop my wife off, or sometimes I pick her up when I am coming from work. So मेरा daily travel somewhere around 50 to 60 kilometers round trip तो हो ही जाता है. And that's a lot of travel, right? Especially in Mumbai. So single way which is 25 to 30 kilometers, 1.5 से 1.5 घंटा लगता है. Similarly आते टाइम ट्रैफिक में फंसो तो 1.25 घंटा भी लग जाता है, कभी कभी 2 घंटा भी लग ही जाता है. So yeah, that's the part and parcel of living in or maybe working in the city of Mumbai. But जो भी है क्या ही कर सकते हैं. There is no other option. So yeah, इतना ज़्यादा travel है. And इतना travel में trust me, I have seen a lot of good things and bad things as well. So eventually I decided कि अच्छा एक dash cam जैसा कुछ चीज़ ले लेते हैं. And that's how this camera happened. By the way, this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And इतना travel में ऐसा होता है कि I do tend to talk a lot to myself, because there are so many thoughts, I just need to put it out. And कभी कभी ऐसा होता है जब मैं अकेला travel करता हूँ तो भी कुछ कोई होता नहीं है, तो I just like spit things out and it kind of helps me. So I thought, why not just add a microphone to that calculation and just record everything, visual and audio. So that's how I started doing this, and eventually I thought कि यार चलो okay, कुछ तो sensible चीज़ें record हो रही है, why not just edit it and put it out there for the world to watch. अभी पता नहीं कितने लोग देखेंगे नहीं देखेंगे, but you know, recording this and editing this kind of keeps my creative mind active. जब भी ऐसा ऑडियो रिलेटेड काम नहीं होता है, थोड़ा स्लैक पीरियड होता है या फिर ब्रेक होता है, तो आई टेंड टू एडिट दीज वीडियोज़ एंड थोड़ा अच्छा ऑक्यूपाइड रहता हूँ. इवन आई फील गुड कि आई एम लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू. जो सॉफ्टवेयर मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ उसके बारे में थोड़ा अच्छा इन्फॉर्मेशन पता चलता है. आई मे नॉट बी लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल एडिटर और समथिंग, बट एडिटिंग के बारे में 2 चीज़ें अगर पता चल भी गई तो अच्छा ही है यार, बीइंग इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. तो इट काइंड ऑफ हेल्प्स टू हैव दैट वन एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन. इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. So that's how these video came into being. And right now this is not my first video that I'm recording. I've been recording for a few months now, and you know, बीच में I was trying to make a introduction video or a pilot video, but सही नहीं आ रहा था. Now finally I'm giving it a try again after months and knowing how to talk to a microphone and editing videos. So yeah, this is going to be my vlogging channel, rather a motor vlogging channel, and I'll be uploading videos every week at a very specific time.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
So अभी what I've decided is on this channel there will be a couple of categories of videos that I'll be uploading.
अभी बता था भाई.
एक तो obviously which almost every motor vlogger does, that is daily observation kind of things. जैसा दिखता है जिसके बारे में मैं बड़बड़ करता हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ बकते रहता हूँ. That I'll be naming as daily delusions or daily delulu. Because obviously everybody is living in their own world, and that own world has their own delusions. And the things that I'll be observing and saying whatever stuff about is going to be my delusion. So I would like to call them my daily delulu. The second category would be something like a glide through, where I won't be speaking a word. Just my engine is going to make the sound and the road is going to tell the story.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है.
I'd be gliding through highways, gliding through cities, gliding through traffic, gliding through twisties. It doesn't really matter. So those videos are going to be kind of fun, where I'll be recording my engine sound, not my exhaust by the way, which I will clarify after a few videos why. But yeah, I'll be recording my engine sound and I'll be putting it out. Those no edits, just me gliding through stuff. Third would be a category called as not a review. Obviously there'll be things that I'll be buying, which you will get to know in the next videos. For example, I bought this tank bag. So when I bought it, I spoke about it. So those kind of videos will be a not a review video. Obviously I'm not an expert who should be talking about a product and how it is and how you should be using it. It's just my क्या बोल सकते हैं, ओनरशिप एक्सपीरियंस. जो मुझे लगता है इसके बारे में मैं बक दूंगा. दैट्स इट. एंड इवन दिस क्या बोलते हैं, फ़ोन स्टैंड, फ़ोन होल्डर, अभी पता नहीं जब मैं लिया था इसके बारे में कुछ बक किया था या नहीं, बट या समथिंग लाइक दिस. आई मे बाय some more riding gears, or maybe if I visit a place I might say a thing or two about that place. So those kind of videos which I'll be talking about ownership experience or just my experience in general with a particular thing or a place or whatever. So that is my third category which I'll be doing. I'm not sure if there'll be more categories kind of a thing in such videos, but अभी देखते हैं. like जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ूँगा, जैसे वीडियो शूट करूँगा, एडिट करूँगा, तो शायद पता चल जाए कि यार शायद कोई नया कैटेगरी हो या व्हाटएवर. सो या दिस इज़ माय होल स्टोरी एंड आई होप टू सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ एज वेल, बिकॉज आई एम अ न्यू पर्सन एंड हाँ, तुम लोग को लगता होगा कि हाँ नया लड़का आ गया जिसने कैमरा ले लिया है, अभी कुछ ना कुछ बक करेगा, मोटर ब्लॉग करेगा, अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा मोटर ब्लॉगिंग समझता है वगैरह वगैरह. हाँ या आई अंडरस्टैंड. लाइक दिस इज़ द एग्जैक्ट रिएक्शन आई यूज्ड टू गिव टू अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू मोटर ब्लॉगर्स but it turns out they genuinely started developing themselves and making better videos, and I genuinely got inspired by almost by a lot of motor vloggers out there. Obviously there are some who are like really good and my favorites as well. I tend to watch their videos regularly, and I'm pretty sure whoever watches motor vlogs probably is a fan of those people. तो यार उनसे भी इंस्पिरेशन ले लूँगा. कभी कभी तुम लोगों को लगेगा साला उसको कॉपी कर रहा है वगैरह वगैरह, तो ऐसा बोलो मत कमेंट्स में जाके ये कॉपी कैट, इसका कॉपी किया, उसका कॉपी किया. इट्स लाइक स्टार्टिंग में तो होता ही है ना ऐसा कि यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, सो यू नीड टू टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम समवन, जिसमें कॉपी हो ही जाता है लोगों से. एंड इवेंचुअली you tend to develop your own taste, your own style of recording or editing or whatever it is. So yeah, this is what it is. These are the kind of videos that you will be watching in the future. So I genuinely hope you guys like what I'm doing, and obviously subscribe, comment, like, share, जो भी रेगुलर करना रहता है वो करो. ऐसा सपोर्ट देखा बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, दिल से अच्छा रहेगा यार मेरे को ऐसा अगर तुम करोगे तो. एंड या एनीवे, आज का ये बक बक बंद करके आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय बाय.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, one thing I totally forgot to mention is that obviously David Putra is a running joke, and for me eventually when the joke died down, I got a little bit of philosophical, and I thought what David Putra exactly means, what they were trying to tell in the cartoon. So for me, David Putra is a motorcycle that you and I can buy, and it could be the best motorcycle that you think you deserve or you think you want to buy. Right now for me, my X-Pulse is my David Putra. Probably eventually when I have enough money, my David Putra could be the BMW GS 1250 or the 13001. For someone it could be S1000 RR. For someone it could be the Ninja ZX 900 1000, whatever it is. So everybody loves a different kind of motorcycle, and everybody has their David Putra in their mind, that this is the motorcycle I would buy, this is my favorite motorcycle, this is my dream motorcycle. And yeah, David Putra is basically an idea basically is the ultimate motorcycle or the dream motorcycle that you can buy. And that doesn't dismiss the vehicle that you have right now between your legs or under your arms or under your hands. The motorcycle or even the car that you are riding is your David Putra, and that's what makes it so special. This one, this is a 210cc, so this is my David Putra 210. Previously I owned the Apache 200 V4, so that was my David Putra 200. उसके पहले I had the FZS 150cc वाला, so that was my David Putra 150. For you it could be completely different. Maybe you own a 390 or a 400 or a 450. That is your David Putra 390, 400, 450, 600, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. The idea being that your motorcycle is your David Putra and your favorite motorcycle is your David Putra. So yeah, so like again, like I sign off again, मतलब मैं sign off करके suddenly मुझे चलाते याद आया कि यार ये तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं. तो दिस इज़ वॉट it was happening. ठीक है कि जब मैं कुछ बोलने जाता हूँ कुछ भूल जाता हूँ या फिर गलत तरीके से बोलता हूँ, इसीलिए मुझे मल्टीपल ट्राइज लगे सिर्फ एक इंट्रो या पायलट वीडियो बनाने के लिए. एनीवे, थोड़ा रस्टी हूँ, आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल, तो होता है. एनीवे, चलो आई साइन ऑफ अगेन. बाय. अभी पता नहीं कुछ याद आ गया तो इसके बाद वापस कुछ बड़बड़ कर लूँगा, इसमें ऐड कर लूँगा. बट एनीवे, फॉर नाउ आई शैल सी यू ऑफ अगेन. बाय बाय.